How to delete project in Photoroom. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can completely delete any of your projects. First of all, open the application. Now here on the right bottom, you can see this content option. Simply tap on content. So here, these are the contents or projects that are available. So every project you do will be here and it will be saved here. Now in order to remove it, here on the top, you'll be able to see this three line icon. Simply tap on this three line icon, and here there are different options available. Simply tap on delete, so it has been gone. Now you cannot recycle it, so it will be completely deleted. Now you can do the same for other picture too. Simply tap on it and tap on delete, so it has been done. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.